are the reasons why I want to involve the Holy Father Francis. The Vatican has the Pontifical Academy of Sciences, which may disclose in the world firsts. Then the Holy Father is the head of the Catholic Church, and may disclose the reasons for Jesus, those that do not derive from the pure faith in him, but they are now perfectly confirmed by the science of man. I show you what was visible on my site titled Ordinespiritosanto, in year 1999. You can see the fullness of new truth in the field of physical and metaphysical. What impossible results in physics? E equals m9 is the general relativity in absolute worth. The physics unifications know-how, the atomic fusions know-how. Physical constants have these absolute worthies. Electron has this absolute mass in kilogram. Absolute are unitary quantities, the unitary system's injustice. The light speed's invariance depends only on the magnetic invariant wave's action of our living. Stereoscopic volumes effect. Electron not appearing in orbit, but in orbital, is only indeterminations effect. The really measured light speed, how could be absolute? The absolute speed isn't a real speed, but only a dimensional ratio. The 3:1 volume online ratio in the 1 meter every second line of 10 raised to 10 angstrom s, with 10 raised to 8 units in length, since 10 raised to 2 in the transversal area. C29 divided by 1 is theoretically taken are 10 raised to 100. The constants' absolute worthies are pure ratios. How the dimensions ordered? The absolute Planck constant is gotten out the absolute power 10 raised to 100. How pi 14 becomes 360 advancements degrees. Here is the light corpuscle waves unification. Here is the mass times unification. Here is the IS 7 units unification. Here is the proof of the Immanuel Kant philosophy about space and time as mind categories. Here is the absolute dimension of the universe. Here is till the 22nd of December 2012 apocalypse calculus, and much other else. In metaphysics, my matter body is going on to die, for reaction to the invisible action of my inverse spirit body, P contrary, and so coming back from that not mortal inversion point of myself. I'm this, I'm coming from this, and I'm going towards this. These antitheses synthesis is my perfect way to realize the whole. My reality is this. The absolute order is this. The relative order is this. The God essence is this. The one and three God reason. The reason of the existence start. The reason of the world end. Our true travel beyond the death. My heaven is this. My universal juice is this. My proof of the God existence. God isn't died. Devils, hell, purgatory and paradise are true ones. Because God always replies to our prayers. The whole already exists, but our spirit has the most arbitrary will. The mathematic calculus of the world end if Jesus. The mathematic calculus till of the return of Jesus in his Father. The God punishment is necessarily one. And similar questions. These philosophy matters, based on the scientific laws already known, get in the great surprise and joy of important and really new answers, absolutely unexpected. They have the same value and certainty that the original truths, and absolutely confirm the Jesus truths too. Precisely the Pope John Paul II, believing in the absolute necessity of a new answer about the truth essence, strongly pushed every philosopher to look for it and to find it, because, in the exact papa's idea, it'd be certainly also the truth of Jesus.